Well, I want to show you something that I did in my truck today. I've got this, for I don't know, over 20 years I was in the electronic controls business, and I had my own business for about 18 years, and I used some various organizer things. This set of drawers I've had for years. They've been sitting in storage basically, and it's been sitting around for years now. I haven't used it. I just got an idea. I decided to put it in my truck and to organize my camping gear in it. And so this is like my first attempt. I'm sure I'll change it around a bunch before I'm all said and done. Since I had an electronic control business years ago, and I used to put all my small parts in there, and I used them in vans and our trucks and stuff. But I thought, hey, why not use it for camping? So this is just, I'll probably be rearranging this as I go, but this is just my first shot at it. So this first bin is a bunch of kind of fire starting type stuff, and I got a little Gerber backpacks, a little tiny hatchet. I've got some of our easy clips. I'll be getting a more complete set of those. I have two ponchos. This is XY. This is a ultralight Realtree Extra. Some shock cords. I'll be putting probably some more of those in there. Tent stakes for the tarps and whatever. So I've got magnesium ones. I've got let's see. Got some of the Easton aluminum stakes, and then some of the ABS stakes. I've got some cordage in here. I'll be putting some more cordage, and then I've got some of these little kits I made up that have bank line in them. Some of that stuff, and then I've got a large PSTL tarp, 10 by 10 tarp, and I've got a HD heavy duty poncho in the Robic fabric. So there's one drawer, and in this next drawer here I got some tools. Got like a hook knife, screwdriver, knife sharpener, little kind of knife is that? anyway, a little pocket knife, wrench, file for axes. I've got way too many tree straps. Got a gazillion of them. And I got some Dyneema slings for setting up hammocks, just some extras. I've got whoopee slings in here, some Dyneema cord. I've got some carabiners, survival blanket. And this is a super shelter kit for ponchos. This one is a hammock kit for ponchos. And this is a tarp kit for ponchos. And then I've got a parachute PD shelter with the stakes in it. And then for when I'm rock hounding, I got a rock hammer. So that's kind of that drawer. And like I say, these may change. Now it is the first time around doing something. Alright, so this one just has some various stoves and stuff like that in it. A little alcohol burner, Frangia stove, some alcohol, some candies to keep your mouth moist in the desert. Then I got a little Optimus cooking pot set there, water bottle, and it's just some drinks. I've got some ramen noodles, some silverwares and knives. And then back in here I got some, I got a couple cans of baked beans. One's down inside of this cup and one's sitting right there. Some kippered snacks, smoked fish, different things like that. Set of silicone bowls, squishy bowls. And then I've got some butane for for an Optimus butane stove. We've got a little cast iron skillet right there. Little hot dog roaster, telescoping little deal. Then I've got, this is one of our bags that we make for, this is for an 8-inch fry pan. So I've got my fry pan in here, and then I've got a fuel canister and a little fold down Optimus stove. But then that just screws onto there, and then there's your stove. So all that fits right down here in the little fry pan. And I kind of like this, how that thing flips over, so it makes it take up a lot less space. If I go off somewhere, this will fit inside of the Optimus Solo or Weekender pots. This little case is nice because it kind of protects the pan here. But anyway, so that goes in there. We have these in all kinds of colors. Any color our HD ponchos are made in. So that's 23 colors. So see, that's it's got a quick closure, no clips, fasteners, anything like that needed. Easy open, just grab it and pull it. To close it, just give it a jerk. It's closed, quarter of nylon. This is for an 8-inch skillet. We make another one for a 10-inch skillet. And like I say, all the different colors. But anyway, so there's just my first shot out of here. Little deal here. The drawers are 54 inches long. Hey, it's just something you always got to be playing around with something. But that thing was just sitting here for years and years and years, not really used for anything. And I thought, why don't I use it for something camping? Because I'm out camping pretty well every week, and sometimes more than once. So why not put some of the handy stuff I need in there? Save rummaging around in a bin, you know, all the time. Anyway, I got to get on to other things now. But that's just a little, I don't know what it is, a little info into my dumb life.